In this section, we'll learn something about developer button and what you can do with this. Question is create an application to get EMI for any amount, rate and period using format control under developer group in Excel. Max loan amount is 50 lakhs rupees. Rate is 5 to 15% and years maximum 20 years. Sample is given here. You have to produce something like this. You have to create something like this. For that, first I must make this blue rectangle. Let us select 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us do color. I want to these things like loan amount. I want to loan amount. It is not visible because color may be. Let us loan amount. Let me make it black color. Black color. Make it bold. Next line. You can put yet of. Next we want interest. Interest per annum. The headings we have put. Need one more for EMI, so that can be your EMI. That we put up in bold letters. Now here I want to have this bar type of things. This place, and this place. And EMI will be calculated. Let me put EMI to this place. Include insert one row here. Also be blue color. Let this go to the next. Blue again. The loan amount to be from 0 to 50 lakhs. So here I have to go to developer tab. Under that there is something on insert. And insert there is something as scroll bar. Tick that and put it up in this one. Now what will it give? It will give a format control. It says what is the current value. I want it to be current value to be 0. I want minimum value to be 0. Maximum value I want it to be 50. Incremental is 1. Page also 1. And whatever values come there, I do not want to put it in the next column. I want to put in this one. And I say okay. Here I put it here. What comes here. I click once, 1, 2, so keep on clicking. Number keep changing, and I drag it here. max amount of 50. So 50 is coming here, but I do not want that 50 to be there because loan amount is 50 lakhs. So I connect the two, I call it as this into star 1 lakh. And then this has to be formatted. This 50 lakh, we need to format it. I click, add cells, currency, rupee separator is there, zero decimal there. The next we have to go to period, number of years. So number of years is maximum 20. Right click. Now here you go to developer in that search, and here is the scroll bar, and scroll bar is reflected within this cell. Right click, format control. We want from 5 to 15. So minimum value, we want it to be 5, maximum value 50. And whenever you click once, I want it to go by 1. And whatever value comes, I want it to be reflected here in this case. I want that finishes. So if we click 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then if we drag it 15, minimum, that is done. Now 5 years has come here because I've formatted these cells earlier itself with a custom format with 0 and years in what it was. Others would have come at 5 only. Interest, we want it to have in percentage. That has to be from 5 to 15, but you know that it can be 5.5 or 6.5. So let us say again, developer, insert, scroll bar, and then you also here. I want up to here. Now format role, I want 5 to 15. So 5, double of that is current value is 0. Minimum value I want 5, but multiplied by 2 later. 15 less because 30 by 2 will become increment value is 1 only. Page change also is 1. Cell link, let me give it at this point. That is a cell link. Okay. So now see, whenever I here 11, 12, etc. For the last one, it becomes 30. Here I want to put this is equal to whatever is available here divided by that becomes that. Now that is coming full numbers. Let me see format cells. I want it to be but I want 0.0 in decimal place. What's in decimal place? It does not displaying that. Now it is. Now EMI calculation is using the formula PMT within brackets. What are the parameters here? First is rate. Rate is here. That is for the year. So it has to be divided by 12. And it is not just 12 because this 9 is not 9%, though it looks, but the percent has been put because of the formatting. I'd put another 00 here to convert 9 into 0.09. Number of periods, 5 years, whatever is here, but each month you are paying, so it is 12. Present value is given in this cell, and future value is going to be 0. Type stands for whether you're paying at the beginning of the month or end of the month. So I got end of the month, that is 1. Now here I had put as minus 350 so that I get this figure in plus signs. Then I say OK. Let us divide these cells and make 0. You have taken 50 lakhs for 5 years at 9% interest. You are going to pay 1 lakh every month, 1 lakh plus. If you change it to 0, obviously you're not going to pay anything. But if I take 1 lakh for 10 years at 9% interest, you're going to pay 1,257. For all combinations, you can get EMI. And if you do not want this cell to be there, just hide the column. That is how you are able to create an application where any type of combinations of loan amount, period in number of years, and interest percent, you can calculate the EMI using PMT formula. So practice this with various figures. Instead of 50 lakhs, use 20 lakhs, you choose 1 crore. Years, you choose 30 years. Interest from 5 to 25 or 1 to 20.